Alright, you are welcome again. Today let's talk about logarithm. Under logarithm, we'll be simplifying logarithmic expressions. Okay? Then you discover that logarithm is just opposite of indexes. Okay? And let's go. Let's take this so that you see how it works. We have simplified the logarithmic expression log64 plus 2log5 minus 2log40. So we are asked to simplify this. Log64 plus 2log5 minus 2log40. Now let's go. We are going to have log64 plus log5. These two, we take it to the front. So as it's coming to the front, it will be exponent. It will be log5 raised to power 2 minus log40. The 2 also take it to the front, it will be exponent 40 raised to power 2. Okay, now let's go. We are going to have log64 plus log5 raised to power 2 will give us 25. Then minus log40 raised to power 2 will give us 1600. Okay, now let's go. We have log this 64 plus log 25. Now we have plus, so we're going to have multiplication. And then in this minus, we're going to have division. So we're going to have log 64 times 25 divided by 1600. So we're going to have log open bracket 64 times 24 will give you 1600 all over 1600. So 1600 divided by 1600 will give you 1. So we have log 1, and then log 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, the simplification of the logarithmic expression log64 plus 2 log 5 minus 2 log 40 is equal to 0. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Let's take more example, alright, under this logarithm so that you understand better. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and remember to turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload any video. Alright, thank you.